In this video, I will show you how to add a product compare feature in WooCommerce for free, step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you can set it up correctly and help your customers compare products more easily. Alright, let's begin. Okay, very fast let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. That's why navigate to the default shop page. Okay, hover on it, then as you can see it shows only add to cart button. Now I want to add product compare feature and I will do it with WooCommerce Elementor free add-on. So I have to install the add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, then click over here add plugin. Or if you use WordPress latest version, then you can install plugin with the latest feature command plate. As you can see, this is the new feature Ctrl+K. If you Windows user, then just press Ctrl+K or click over here Ctrl+K. That's great. Search command and settings. I want to install a plugin, so just type here add plugin. As you can see, this is that plugin. Select and just click over here add plugin. That's great. Now just I have to search the WooCommerce Elementor free add-on from here, whose name is Shop Builder. So type here Shop Builder. Yes, and this is the Shop Builder WooCommerce Builder for Elementor. So just click over here install now, then activate. After install and activated the Shop Builder WooCommerce Builder for Elementor, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, a new option is added in left side menu, Shop Builder. If I hover on it, then it shows template builder and settings. If you want to add product compare very fast, you have to create the shop page or shop template. Okay, so again hover on Shop Builder, then click over here templates builder. As you can see, very fast it shows WooCommerce page builder, add new page. Just click over here add new page. Template name, just you have to give the template name. I want to create shop page, so I can give here like custom shop. If you want, then you can give that you desire. Okay, then select template type. I want to create shop page, so I have to select the shop template. Okay, then select editor type, template is perfect, then set as active template. Just you have to click this toggle button and enable it. Scroll down, then you will get lots of free template. I want to use it template number 4. If you want, then you can check the preview before importing it. So click over here preview. This is the preview and it looks very professional. Okay, so now I can close this preview tab. Then again, this is the import. I want to import this template, so click over here import. That's great. As you can see, the template is imported. If you want, then you can close this window from here, or if you want, then you can click here edit with Elementor. Actually I want to edit this template, that's why click over here edit with Elementor. That's great, and this is the Elementor editor. Now again go to the shop page, then refresh it and check it. That's perfect. As you can see, the default shop page design has been changed. Now it shows that right now I have imported. Okay, so this is the current shop page, and you can see maybe I have to give some padding for top and bottom. So again go to the Elementor editor and select this area, navigate to the advanced tab, then give some padding, like I want to give like 80 for top and 80 for bottom. Okay, publish it from the right side top. Then again go to the shop page, refresh it and check it. Yes, now it looks perfect. If I hover on it, then you can see this is the add to cart button, then the wish list, and this is the compare button. Okay, so now I have to configure it. That's why go to the admin dashboard, hover on Shop Builder, then click over here settings. Then you have to navigate to this tab, modules tab. Okay, as you can see, global settings, then the Elementor widget and modules. Just you have to navigate and select this tab modules. Then check where is the product compare module. As you can see, this is the product compare module. Sometimes you can see it disable like this, so click this toggle button, disable it and check it. Okay, if you can see product compare is disable, in this case just click this toggle button and enable it. Okay, then very first tab is general. You can see this is the general. I will explain it later. Then the button and page, very important setting, the page settings. Okay, general, button and page, and you can see select compare page. You have to select the page from here. You can see it gives a message, select a page from compare page and make sure you add the shortcode. Okay, so just copy this shortcode and create a new page with this shortcode. So copy this shortcode and again go to the admin dashboard and create a page like add new page. Give the page title, you can give that you want. I want to give the page name compare. Okay, compare. Then click this plus sign and type here shortcode. This is the shortcode. Then paste the shortcode here. Okay, again this is the shortcode. Okay, just copy it from here, then create a new page, then insert the shortcode, then publish it from the right side top. Then again go to the settings panel and refresh it. I can close it and refresh it. Navigate to the module tab, then the product compare, click this icon, then navigate to the page tab and just you have to select the compare page from here. Right now I have created the compare page. This is the compare page. Okay, select it, then save changes. Maximum compare limit, you can see default value is 10. If you want, then you can increase and decrease this value. I want to keep it as a default. Then the compare table visibility. Okay, if you want, then you can check and uncheck the field from here. So I want to keep it as a default. Then the save changes. Okay, again go to the shop page, then refresh it and check it. That's great. Now click here compare and I want to compare it. Okay, scroll down. Okay, now click here browse compare, and if you want, then you can change this text, product added and browse compare. Okay, so again go to the settings panel and product compare, then the general, you can see product added. If you want, then you can change the text from here, product removed and browse compare. Navigate to the button, scroll down, then you can see this is the compare text. So if you want, then you can change this compare text, just hover on it, then you can see this is the compare. So if you want to change this text, then you can do it from here. I want to keep it as default and save changes. Okay, again go to the shop page and compare. It works perfectly. Product added, browse compare. So click over here, browse compare. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. Okay, and that's it. In this way, you can add product compare in your online store or e-commerce website. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. I hope I will see you in the next video.